To me, what it means to live a plant-based life really is about honoring the connection we have with the natural world. Nature is abundant with nourishing ingredients, from nuts and seeds to sea greens, colorful fruits and vegetables, herbs, spices, and so much more. With thoughtful planning and mindful food combining, we can be nourished with all we need to live a full and healthy life. There is a symbiosis that occurs when we choose to tune into this, and not only for us, but for the environment. It's a tightly woven relationship where animal, being, and plant are interconnected. Really caring about where our food comes from and the pathway it takes to get to us is our responsibility, from the earth to our plates. And when we start to live with these intentions, rethinking the way we do things, we waste less, use less, and we give back so much more. A place we can begin is by bringing heart into the kitchen. Nourishing ourselves can be such an enjoyable part of our days. Instead of a rushed afterthought, it becomes a loving relationship. Mindfully preparing our meals, inspired by nature's smells, tastes, and textures, brings us into a calming state, which triggers deep healing within our bodies. One of the most amazing qualities of the body is its instinctive nature to heal itself. And whole plant foods have an inherent medicinal ability to assist this recovery process. Nature is wild and often unforgiving, yet I sense she can be soft and so accepting. Every moment spent in nature is an opportunity to learn something new, and I feel the same way about my practice as a chef. Food has become a medium for me to explore even deeper and translate this ethos to plate. And experimenting with old and new techniques, designing recipes which are fresh and full of flavor and visually stimulating brings me so much pleasure. It's now become about educating through unforgettable dining experiences, which I can only hope imprints inspiring shifts in the perspectives of others. At Wilderness Safaris, we have taken care to create these unforgettable experiences by catering for all dietary sensitivities, focusing on a root-to-stem approach, where using less to create more is at the core of it all. And by taking compassionate action, living lightly and mindfully, I do believe we can restore these natural rhythms. Our well-being as a species and planet depends on it.